In this video, we will give you a tour of the territory of the first stage of the energy complex for the production of electricity on biofuel. The main fuel is manure from growing broiler chickens. Chenko Bud performed a full range of design works for 8 months in 2015 to 2016. All construction and assembly works were completed in 12 months. Commissioning works were completed in May 2018 and lasted exactly 3 months. At this stage, the facility supplies steam and hot water to a poultry farm. Directly in front of you is a part of the territory where an unheated closed fuel warehouse has been built. The project provides for the creation of a vacuum inside the warehouse. The exhaust system operates continuously, while the condition of at least 1.5-fold air exchange of the room must be met. In front of the warehouse, you can see a high exhaust pipe, 20 meters high. To reduce the height of the pipe, carbon filters can be installed to clean the air from ammonia and hydrogen sulfide. The dimensions of the fuel warehouse are 36 by 24 meters. This area is designed to store 750 cubic meters of chicken manure, a 3-day supply of fuel. Now, we are at an altitude of 15 meters and will begin our excursion from this place. Now we have an open inclined gallery with a fuel feed conveyor. For the convenience of the service personnel and the operational repair team, access to the conveyor is provided from 2 sides. The conveyor body is made of stainless steel. Lighting is provided along the entire length of the gallery for safe movement in the dark. The conveyor covers are equipped with sealing gaskets. To prevent the spread of foul odors and dust, a general aspiration system is provided. Dust collection is provided at 4 points, and all dust is transported to the fuel reserve bunkers in the boiler room. If it is necessary to reduce sulfur dioxide emissions, a sorbent limestone flour is dosed onto the conveyor. The feed is carried out by a screw conveyor from a round-section stirrer bunker. Next in front of us is a disc separator, designed to automatically separate large foreign objects from the biofuel flow. Foreign materials are separated directly onto the ground, and the service personnel record this fact. The scraper conveyor body is made of stainless steel. Next, we will go into the fuel warehouse. In front of us is an operational mechanized bunker, live bottom. The bunker's volume is sufficient for 3 hours of operation of the complex. Directly under the roof are the air ducts of the exhaust system. The warehouse also has the ability to temporarily store ash after burning biofuel. The main fuel is manure. From 5 to 15% of sunflower husks are mixed with manure. The poultry farm uses the husks as bedding when growing poultry. The fuel moisture content is not constant and varies between 35 and 75%. A forklift operates in the warehouse, performing all the necessary operations. The mechanized bunker is covered with a protective grate. The bunker mechanisms ensure dosing of the main fuel onto the chain scraper conveyor. The same is possible with reserve fuel, sunflower husks. Today, the fuel moisture content is close to 50%. The bodies of these conveyors are also made of stainless steel. The use of stainless steel in such an aggressive environment significantly increases the service life of the equipment. Ash from burning chicken manure can be considered as a phosphorus potassium-calcium fertilizer. From 1 ton of ash obtained after burning chicken manure, an average of 130 kilograms of total phosphorus, 139 kilograms of total potassium, 40 kilograms of calcium, can be introduced into the soil. Potassium and phosphorus in the ash are in a form easily accessible to plants. The project provides for the installation of a group of cyclones and a fan to clean the exhaust air from dust. A carbon filter can be installed in this area. Now we will continue the tour of the boiler house building, which houses a steam boiler with a thermal capacity of 8 megawatts, a steam capacity of 12 tons of steam per hour. The boiler house has emergency steam discharge points, which are necessary when the poultry farm's steam consumption decreases. At the moment, the boiler is operating in the nominal mode. All the equipment in the boiler house has undergone comprehensive tests. We are here now, and right in front of you is an emergency fuel discharge pipe from the bunker in the boiler house. The boiler is being prepared for painting in the brand colors of Chenko Bud, Blue Water, Orange Fire. We move to the room with rotary vane compressors. The compressors produce compressed air with a pressure of 8 bar. The adsorption dryer prepares air at a dew point of up to -40 degrees. One compressor is working, and the second is a backup. The room is equipped with supply and exhaust ventilation. Compressed air is distributed in the manifold to all consumers. In front of you is a Ukrainian-made primary air fan. The fan is equipped with a single-turn electric mechanism for automatic regulation of the productivity and pressure of the primary air. Primary air is supplied under the inclined pushing grate. Next is the room in which the main hydraulic station of the steam boiler is installed. This station controls the hydraulic cylinders of the inclined pushing grate. Seamless stainless steel pipes are used for oil pipelines. Now, in front of you is the primary air distribution unit for different air zones of the combustion device. The unit, as well as the fan, is equipped with devices for automatic regulation of airflow. Here is the equipment of the water softening plant. Here are the feed pumps of the steam boiler, and here are the network pumps of the poultry farm heating system. 2 working and 1 reserve. The pumps are designed to circulate hot water in a volume of 220 cubic meters with a temperature schedule of 90 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. 2 plate heat exchangers are installed to heat the hot water. The capacity of each is 8 megawatts. Heating medium, steam with a pressure of 3 bars. And now we will see how chicken manure burns in our boiler. This boiler, manufactured in 2017, had spill grates and accordingly required an ash removal system from under the furnace. Since 2018, all boilers have been equipped with non-spill grates. Ukrainian-made secondary air fan. Let's go higher. We draw your attention to the noticeable layer of dust in the boiler room. This dust, ash, gets into the boiler room through open windows and supply ventilation from the side of the ash loading unit into the tractor trailer. Having reached this unit, we will clearly demonstrate everything to you. Right in front of you is a stationary screw blower. The blowing medium is steam with a temperature of 240 degrees. Next, a semi-retractable blower which automatically cleans the heating surfaces in the boiler from ash deposits. A lock feeder is installed between the conveyor and the boiler bunker. This is a twin-screw conveyor that feeds fuel from the fuel bunker in the boiler room directly to the boiler's operating bunker. The conveyor is made entirely of stainless steel. Deaeration feeder. Fuel bunker, 30 cubic meters. Emergency and main chute. The height of the steam boiler is about 14 meters. Now we will take you to the very top of the boiler. The outlet of flue gases from the boiler is provided in this place. This is where the environmental performance of the boiler is most often measured. Let's go further and meet more blowing devices on our way. All devices are included in a single boiler cleaning system. The system starts working 1 to 2 times a day when the temperature of the flue gases rises by 20 degrees above the nominal. The nominal temperature of the flue gases is 180 degrees. Here is a round agitator hopper designed to store fuel for 2 hours of boiler operation. Steam drum of the boiler. Next, we go down, and I will take you to the ash removal and flue gas cleaning system. Our path will pass through the roof of the administrative and household building. The flue gas cleaning system is implemented in 2 stages. The first stage is steam dust cyclones. The second is a bag filter. The operating temperature of the bag filter is 200 degrees. The maximum is 240. The peak short-term temperature is 260 degrees. We go down the stairs and see the steam and hot water pipelines that go to the poultry farm. This blue trough is nothing more than a trick designed to select large pieces of slag during commissioning. Conveyor for transporting ash from under the flue gas cleaning system. Dosed unloading of ash from the bag filter is provided by a lock feeder. Here is a smoke exhauster, manufactured and supplied on a single pedestal. No additional alignment is required. The smoke exhauster is equipped with a frequency converter. This is the final ash loading point. It was very dusty here during commissioning. Today, everything is neatly packed into big bags. The smokestack is insulated 35 meters high. The bag filter is equipped with explosion valves in case of gas contamination. Here we have condensate collection tanks, blow-off tanks. Now we will visit the control room. In front of you is the control room. Leading adjusters of the company Chenko Bud are finishing the final briefing before the delivery of the facility and its transfer to the service personnel. Everything is automated at a high level. We are at the 4.5 meter mark. Here is the main equipment for distribution and reduction of steam. The boiler room uses shut-off valves from the company ARE Armatura, Germany.